Chapter 2, Motion of the Earth, Lecture 3. In previous lecture, we discussed about rotation, revolution, varying length, and days and night. Now we see how revolution of the Earth. You see, in March, first we start from March, year equal day and night, 21st March and 21st September. Both day has equal day and equal night. Now from April, May and then June. 21st June is the longest day of the year. Then 21st June shortest night of the year. Now July, August, September. September 21st September equal day and equal night. Then October, November, December. 22nd December is the shortest day of the year and 22nd December night is the longest night of the year. Now here seasons. The earth rotates on its axis in the same direction while revolving around the sun on its orbit. Due to this, the North Pole faces the sun at regular intervals. The rays of the sun fall vertically either on north or south of the equator. This causes variation in the length of days and nights. Those parts of the earth which receive more sunlight experience summer, while those that receive less sunlight experience winter. The northern hemisphere experiences summer in the period between 21st March to 21st September, while it is winter in the southern hemisphere during that period. The change of seasons is a phenomenon that directly affects human life. Now seasons and how seasons change. Now we discuss in previous. Now list of some festivals and seasons of their celebration is given below. When we celebrate a particular festival here, name the season experienced at that same time in a different country. Find out and complete the table. Now, here all seasons: Holi, summer; Diwali, winter; Christmas, winter. Now country: in Kenya, in Japan, in USA. Season: other countries. Whenever in Holi, when Holi we celebrate Holi in summer, Kenya celebrate in summer, Australia in winter. Diwali in winter in our India, but Japan in winter and Canada in winter, both same. Christmas in winter in India, USA winter, China winter, but in Australia, on Australia it is Christmas come in summer. But not here, not mention Australia, but Australia, in Australia in summer Christmas celebrate. Now you see, this is the country of Norway. In Norway, the sun at midnight in Norway. Now you see, whenever 12 o'clock, late night, 12 o'clock, 1 o'clock in late night, this sun at midnight, you see sun never it set down. Okay, in midnight sun, you always see sun and midnight, so whole day in Norway you see sun whole day, it is not set down. Okay, now in the European nation of Norway, the sun does not set from midday to end of July. After July, sun does not set. You see in that image, sun after July, sun not does not set down. This means that sunrise and sunset are simultaneous. So the sun is seen even at midnight. In midnight you see sun. So sun does not set down from midday at the end of July. Okay. Now exercise will given afterwards. Okay. This chapter is over. You all clear. First, rotation. Now you see rotation, revolution, varying days and nights, length of days and night, seasons, all seasons, how equal day, equal night, longest day, longest night, shortest night, and other festivals. And then in sun never does not set down after July in Norway. Okay, now this chapter is over. Thank you.